Let's solve this question together. It says 8 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x equal to 130. We can't solve for the value of x in this question, alright? Now the first thing we can do here is to say, so x is unknown, that 8 is 2 cubed. So we can have that this is 2 cubed raised to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. Okay? Now at this point, we can say that when you have 8 to the power of m raised to the power of n, it's equal to 8 to the power of m multiplied by n. Applying this law here, we're going to have that this becomes, okay, so this becomes 2 to the power of 3 times x, which is 3x, plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. Now we can say let 2 raised to the power x be equal to y. So let 2 to the power of x equals y. So replacing 2 to the power of x here, we are going to have y, thus running the power is 3, okay, plus this is y to be equal to 130. Hence we have y cubed plus y minus 130 equals 0. Okay. Now we want a number that will substitute for y here. Okay. So that when we add y cubed plus y, it will be equal to 130. Okay. So let's check. Let's start from 3 because I don't think 2 can give us the answer. So 3 cubed is 27. 27 plus 3 is not equal to 130. Let's check 5. Okay. 5 cubed is 125. 125 plus 5 is equal to 130. And 130 minus 130 is 0. So we can conclude from here that y equal to 5 is a 0 of this equation. A 0 being that if you substitute y as 5, you get that this is equal to 0. Now, moving on from here, we can say that this can become y cubed plus 0y squared plus y minus 130 equals 0. We just wrote this in descending order, alright? And 0y squared is still 0. Now we can say that y is equal to 5 from what we got initially. So y minus 5 equals 0 is a factor of this equation. And what do you know about factors? When we divide the number by its factor, we get another factor without a remainder. Alright? So we have that y cubed plus 0y squared plus y minus 130 divided by y minus 5. Okay? Y cubed divided by y is y squared. Y squared times y is y cubed. Times minus 5 is minus 5y squared. When we subtract, we have minus times minus is plus 5y squared. We bring down plus y. When we divide again, we have plus 5y. 5y times y is 5y squared. Times minus 5 is minus 25y. When we subtract, we have 25y plus y, which is 26y. Bring down minus 130 here. 26y divided by y is 26. 26 times y is 26y. Minus 26 times 5 is 130. Okay, so this is 0. Hence, the other factor, as I said before, is y squared minus 5 plus 5y minus plus 26. When you divide this by this, you get this without any remainder. Alright? So we'll go ahead and say and equate this to 0, or replace this equation with this multiplied by this and equate it to 0. Okay? Let's do that now. Now moving on from here. Okay? Moving on from here, we can say that when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. For this second one, we have y minus 5 equals 0, which means y is equal to 5, which is our first answer for y. So we can just write here that y equals 5 is our first answer for y. Alright? Now, for the second and third answer, because I see that the highest power of y here is 2, meaning that you have two answers, okay, from this side. So we have that y squared plus 5y plus 26 equals 0. Okay? Now, we can use the quadratic formula that says that y here should be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is the coefficient of y squared, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. Hence our y here will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times this times this. So 4 times 26 is 104. 104, alright? Divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 104 is same thing as minus 104 minus 25. So this is 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7, right? Divided by 2. So y2 and y3, sorry, that y is equal to minus 5 plus root of negative 79 over 2, okay? Or minus 5 minus root of negative 79 over 2. And this can be written as minus 5 plus or minus 79. Root of 79 can be said to be equal to I multiplied by root 79 divided by 2. Okay, where I is the root of negative 1. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.